In the last lesson, we successfully ran a C program. You now know how to do it. But if you look at the screen right now, you might still be asking, what is #include? What does int main mean? Why do we need those curly braces? And what is printf, hello, world? Understanding these 4 core components is mandatory before we write any complex code. In this video, we will dissect the C program to understand the precise role of every element, helping you build a solid, foundational understanding. Welcome to Lesson 1.06. To be able to write any C program, from simple to complex, you need to master these 4 components. Let's analyze every line of the hello, world program together. Component 1. Libraries, #include, stdio.h. The first component, the library. #include, stdio.h, is a preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to add another file into your source code. A compiler converts a C program into an executable. There are 4 phases for a C program to become an executable. The compiling we know has actually 4 phases, and preprocessing is the first phase. The file stdio.h stands for Standard Input Output Header. It contains the signatures for essential functions like printf, which we use to print to the screen. In other words, without this line, the computer wouldn't know what printf is. Component 2. The main function main. This is the most critical component. The main function. Whenever you run a C program, the operating system always starts by finding and executing the main function. It is the starting point of your program. The keyword integer before main means this function will return an integer value back to the operating system. Component 3. The code block. The code block, defined by the pair of curly braces opening brace and closing brace. This block is like a room that holds all the instructions you want the main function to execute. Component 4. Statements and semicolon. This line, printf, hello, world, is a statement. It is a complete, specific command to the computer. Print this text to the screen. And here is one of the causes of errors. The semicolon, winky face. In C, the semicolon is used to terminate a statement. It is exactly like the period that ends a sentence in English. You cannot forget it. This is the final statement in the main function. Return 0 means return the value 0. This value signals to the operating system that the program has finished successfully, without errors. In summary, these 4 components form the skeleton of every C program. If you understand this structure clearly, you are ready to move into Section 2. We have the skeleton. Now we need data to manipulate. Click on the next video to start Section 2, Fundamental Concepts, with Lesson 2.01, Variables. Concept of variables, declaration, and initialization, the most basic concept in every programming language. If the video exists,